Witness the wonder of keys.
16-time Grammy Award-winning artist.
The most certified female R&B artist, ready? Of the millennium. Of the millennium.
I never a day in my life have ever had long nails. Why? Because I play the piano.
Hi, my name is Erskine Hawkins. I'm a professional keyboardist, and I have had the honor of working and performing with Alicia Keys, a play that was being developed called Hell's Kitchen. And there I was the associate music director, and I was working alongside Alicia for about 5.5, 6 years. From a young age, Alicia showed immense talent and a passion for music, paving her path to stardom. Signed to Columbia Records at just 15 years old, Alicia burst onto the music scene with her debut album, Songs in A Minor, which earned her 5 Grammy Awards, including Best New Artist and Song of the Year for Fallin. Since then, her blend of R&B, soul, jazz, and hip-hop has resonated with audiences around the globe, earning her 16 Grammy Awards and countless other honors. As a pianist, she has redefined the role of piano in contemporary music. Alicia blends genres and emotions effortlessly, creating a sound that is uniquely hers. This is the genius of Alicia Keys. Alicia Keys created some of the most iconic piano parts ever written. From No One to Fallin, she is an expert at creating motifs that will grab your attention instantly. Probably her most recognizable and famous one is the iconic intro to If I Ain't Got You. So I've seen Alicia play this song in front of some audiences live a few times now, and I mean, they just go crazy. The moment she starts, I mean, people just, gasps and all kinds of things. It's a very cool thing to see. I think what makes this song so captivating and iconic is the fact that it's rootless in the right hand. There is no root. And it's so open. Beautiful. No One is another one of Alicia's iconic intros. What makes this intro so special is its raw authenticity. There's no flashy embellishments or over-the-top theatrics. It's just Alicia,
you can stay forever.
Her piano,
You can be sure.
and the pure essence of her musical genius. It feels like, I mean, somebody that you love is just holding, and of course the first line of the song is, I just want you close where you can stay forever. It just feels it's a very emotional song right from the very beginning.
I just want you close, where you can stay forever.
Alicia Keys is not only an incredible pianist, but also an extremely accomplished songwriter. Fallin jumped to the top of the charts and earned Alicia widespread acclaim, as well as 3 Grammy Awards. Fallin was a huge song, and I think part of what made it so big is its simplicity. It's 2 chords. E minor, just an E minor triad, and a B minor 7. I mean, anybody with the piano was able to sit down and play it immediately, and this song took off like why? It was crazy. It sounds like something is falling. None of the chords aren't connected. It's like walking or falling down the stairs. So you don't only hear Fallin in the lyrics, you also feel it in the music.
I keep on falling in and out
on Fire stands as one of Alicia Keys' most empowering anthems, released in 2012 as the lead single from her 5th studio album. This track isn't just a song, it's a powerful ode to strength, resilience, and self-belief. Girl on Fire became a rallying cry for empowerment, resonating deeply with listeners from all walks of life.
Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby. Yeah, sing. This girl is on fire.
Recognized for its message of self-confidence and determination, Girl on Fire garnered critical acclaim and earned Alicia a Grammy nomination for Best R&B Song.
She got 4 feet on the ground, and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds, and she's not backing down.
Empire State of Mind was originally released by Jay-Z featuring Alicia Keys in 2009.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the
The song quickly became the anthem of New York City, celebrating its vibrancy and diversity. It's now impossible to walk the streets of New York City without hearing this song somewhere.
Concrete jungle with dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do.
Alicia played a significant role in the song's success, contributing her vocals and keys. Her collaboration with Jay-Z resulted in a cultural phenomenon that crossed musical boundaries and earned multiple Grammy nominations. In addition to the original version, Alicia also recorded a solo version of Empire State of Mind.
Oh, there are sirens all around and the streets are mean.
This version showcases her unique interpretation of the song. Something I really thought was very cool is she really showed off her virtuosity here with this, what was this? With this lick here. It's very cool. I would have never thought to put something, it's just a cool arpeggio and just the placement of it is just genius. Ah, the genius of Alicia Keys. But it's genius, it really is.
I'm definitely a person who feels like they were probably born in the wrong time. I tend to really love old school music.
Alicia attributes her influences to a ton of the old school greats, from jazz, soul,
river running free, you know how I feel.
Motown, and rap.
At the age of 15, a young buck selling drugs and such, who never had.
And a real man just can't deny a woman's worth. Yeah.
Released in 2001 as part of her debut album, Songs in A Minor, this R&B ballad really showcases how Alicia Keys' influences would come out through her music. A Woman's Worth begins with an old school string intro that's reminiscent of songs like At Last by Etta James. Don't Know My Name is another incredible R&B ballad by Alicia Keys, released in 2003 as part of the album The Diary of Alicia Keys. The song's production features a sample from Let Me Prove My Love to You by The Main Ingredient, adding a retro flair to the track. Let me see if I can play that. Alicia Keys has graced some of the world's biggest stages, from the Grammy Awards to other unforgettable performances. But let's talk about two standout moments that truly captivated audiences. One of her most emotionally charged performances was one where she didn't even sing. Alicia Keys delivered a moving tribute to Kobe Bryant following his tragic passing. Backed by a string quartet and conductor, Alicia's performance was a masterclass in emotional expression. The performance not only honored Kobe's legacy, but also showcased Alicia's ability to evoke profound emotions through her piano, leaving a lasting impact on all who witnessed it. I know prior to ever hearing of Alicia Keys, I think my first time hearing about her or seeing her was probably on the Oprah Winfrey Show, like back in the day.
I grew up in New York City, and I grew up around a lot of different styles of music. And so I just like to merge all of those styles of music.
I was like, I want to play like that one day, you know? Like I had never heard, you know, Black people, for the most part, I'd never heard of African Americans playing any kind of classical piano. That was my first time ever even imagining that I could play classical music.
And so you're classically trained?
Yes, I studied for 12 years, the Suzuki method, very, very disciplinary type of classical piano.
Another incredible performance that took place in recent memory was Alicia's Super Bowl halftime performance. Alicia took the stage alongside Usher during the halftime show, dressed in a red sequin pantsuit and a flowing red cape. Her red piano also looked like it came from the future. Behind her piano, she delivered a rendition of her 2003 hit, If I Ain't Got You.
You got cheers and then the whole stadium. Some big like, oh, yo. I was like, oh my God.
Before I became Alicia Keys, I was just Alicia. I added Keys because, to me, Keys provides a framework to the artistry. It's the roadmap to unlocking something within yourself. But most importantly, Keys open doors.
Whenever anybody would ask a girl, like, oh, you can sing, and she would automatically, some people, it's just, you're a legend.
I did a cover of Fallin at a talent show.
Alicia Keys unlocked the deepest secrets of a song at her piano. Witness the wonder of keys.
Take me for a cruise around the world. Let you know I'm working.
You know, so every time they would send a flight and I'd know that I was heading out to work with Alicia again, I would probably sit at the piano for about 2 days before I'd fly out. With some artists, it doesn't really matter because they don't necessarily play an instrument. So, I just gotta be able to play their music and do that kind of a thing. But Alicia's a true musician and she can really hear musicality, she can hear that kind of thing. So I wanted to make sure I was always on point when I was there. Alicia, if you're watching this video, your music has affected and inspired millions and millions of people around the world, and we thank you for your genius. My name is Erskine Hawkins, and that was the genius of Alicia Keys.